What's up, Wildcats? Chef Ryan Clark here with Casino del Sol, and we're doing the recipe of the week for the Soul Bowl Tailgate Champion. This week we're again working with local farmers and featuring Top Knot Farms that does chicken and poultry and duck. So for this recipe, we're actually going to do a brine on the chicken. So I'm going to get that started. We got a few different ingredients. I find it simple to just do it in the blender. So I've got lemongrass. If you haven't worked with lemongrass, it's extremely herbaceous, has lots of flavor. I've got ginger, which everybody knows, good in Asian cuisine. Fresh garlic here, I'm gonna add that in. A little bit of sugar, I've got some here. This is our spice component, which are Thai chilies. These are very, very spicy. Take the stems off, you can just throw them in like that. And this is some white vinegar. What we're gonna do is puree this all together. And we're gonna add a little bit of water. We wanna thin this out just a touch before we add it in. So this is gonna be used in two ways. So we're gonna use it on the chicken wings, so we'll marinate those. I've already got some done. We're also gonna add it in here. So this is a nice pot. We're gonna put this over medium heat. And we're gonna let this kind of reduce into a glaze. So here's some of the chicken wings we already have in the brine. One of the things that helps with the brine is it adds a lot of flavor. Also makes the chicken wings nice and tender. You wanna make sure that you have most of the moisture off of them, which is important. I'll put this off to the side. And we're gonna take these right over to the grill. All right, so we have our chicken wings out of the brine. Our sauce and glaze is kind of cooking down, so we're gonna add these onto the grill. I've got them lightly oiled, add a bit of oil to them. So our chicken wings have been cooking about 5 minutes on this side. We're gonna go ahead and flip them over. If the wings are sticking to the grill, you don't wanna flip them, you don't wanna force it. But you can see that they're just kind of releasing off really nicely. That means they're ready to be flipped. And we'll just close this back down, we'll give it another 5 minutes. So about 5 minutes on this side now. I'm actually gonna take these and move them up top just to finish the cooking. We'll let them go up here until they're cooked all the way through. Probably about another 10 minutes or so. And then we can finish this dish up. All right, so to finish these up, we have a few garnishes. The wings are on the grill, our sauce is reducing. We're gonna glaze the wings. I like a little bit of freshness in there. These are some local Asian pears from our friends at Pivot Produce. Just give this a little slice. And these are some baby leeks. I'm gonna add these to the grill too. This is a little bit of mango. Mango is really nice with these chicken wings because it adds a nice freshness to it. A little bit of acidity, a little bit of sweetness. Kind of breaks up the fattiness from the wings. So we have our chicken wings now. We're gonna glaze these. So here's the glaze that we made earlier. It's been reduced. We actually strained this a little bit too. So I'm gonna glaze the wings lightly. This is spicy and tart and sweet. The Thai chili, sugar and Thai vinegar. And we start to garnish this. So here's that Asian pear and mango that we put together. A little bit of the grilled leeks, our grilled lemons. We have some fresh cilantro. So our toasted cashews. I'll add just a little bit more of this sauce over the top. I'll squeeze just a touch of fresh lime. And that's our finished dish. And here we go. This week's Casino del Sol Soul Bowl Tailgate Champion of the Week recipe. We have our Thai chili chicken wings with mango, Asian pear, and cashews. A little Thai chili vinaigrette. And every week we're pairing up our dishes with Dragoon Brewery Company beer. And this week we have the Santa Cruiser Golden Ale.